A feel-good rock with a twist. News at 11. Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a way to rock that really kind of stretches your fascia a little bit. It's a different way to rock again that feels really good. And I'll just show you how to do it. So typically rocking is, back and forth. But this week we're going to take we'll take our left hand and put it in the center, in the midline of our body. And we're gonna put it, instead of being right under our shoulders, we're gonna put it out in front of us. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna rock back, and as we rock back, we're gonna take our right hand and put it out beside us. So as you can see, most of your weight is on the one arm, because this hand here is just going beside and allowing you to sink back into the rock. So you still wanna keep your head up and your chest up, and you're gonna sink back into the rock, and what you'll find is that it just kind of stretches out your whole torso. But what we're gonna do to make this really awesome is we're going to also, as we rock back, look over the right shoulder. And we're gonna we're adding rotation to this rock, and you're gonna find that stretches out your fascia and your torso just a little bit more. So we're rocking forward here, and again, most of the load, all the load is on right now the left arm. And as we rock back, we're gonna look over our shoulder and feel that nice pulling, stretching sensation. So it's here. Now, we can add a little bit more to this by when we rock back and look over our shoulder, we're gonna take this hand and actually try to use it as a fulcrum to pull us around. I'm overly exaggerating this, but you're gonna push this hand into the ground to kind of rotate your body as you look. And again, this feels wonderful. So let's do the other side. So we're gonna put the right hand in the center midline of the body. We're gonna rock back and rotate. So you can even, as you look over your shoulders, you can even try to look around to see if you can find your back pockets or your feet. And you probably hear my voice changing, tension, because there's a tension change there. So you're looking over your shoulder, rocking back, come forward, look over your shoulder, rock back, and use this hand again to kind of help you rotate around. And you're gonna feel this amazing, wonderful opening, lengthening, stretching, whatever you wanna call it, sensation up and through here. From the side, so we're gonna do the right hand out in front of the body, in the midline of the body. I'm gonna sink back into the rocks, and as my head is up, my chest is up, and now I'm going to rotate around using this hand and this looking with my head to see if I can find my feet. And I come forward, look around, come forward, look around, and to switch, again, the middle of the body. Oh yeah. And I actually just got a spinal adjustment with that one. Anyway, it's a wonderful feeling rock. And it feels good to feel good. So this is one you want to try. There's some really good stuff going on there. The one arm that's supporting your weight, or most of all the load, really good shoulder stabilizing action going on there. Again, we're still teaching our shoulders and hips how to play well together. But now we're adding this little bit of a rotation, also by looking over and opening up. It's gonna open up your torso. It's gonna feel good. It's gonna do good stuff for you. Anyway, that is our Feel Good Rock with a Twist. I want you to play with that and let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.